Hello, I wanted to do a quick video now because today, or this evening, is Earth Hour. So that means that we're going to be switching off all of the power, all of the lights and everything else in the house for an hour. And this isn't going to go on for an hour, but just to record the event. And so I have got light, it's dark otherwise, so I've got some candles. Now, I've got some candles here that, I'll just quickly show you, there we go, that I've bought, but I'm also, I've got some candles that I've been making. So, and I just wanted to, before we switch out the lights and see what this looks like with the lights off, I just wanted to quickly show you the candles that I'm actually have made, and well, they're for sale as well. This has got to be my favourite. It is, it's chocolate, and my God, oh, that could not smell chocolate. If you like chocolate, oh, I believe me, that is heaven. If you went to a chocolate factory and smell, it wouldn't smell as a chocolate factory wouldn't smell as good as this candle. It is amazing. It is the best candle that I have made. It's so I've got to move on from that. I've also got a lavender candle, and that's really nice. Completely different from the chocolate, but if you can imagine, if you're walking through a field with the sun beating down and the smell just warming up that lavender and the oil just in the air, and you can get that scent, that is exactly what that smells like. It is amazing. The other ones, I've got bay and orange. Now that smells a bit more bay leaf than orange, to be fair. But you can detect both smells, and that's almost festive in the way it smells. It's quite spicy, but yeah, really nice. This one, now this is basil and mandarin, and again, it's stronger with the basil smell than the mandarin, to be fair, but yeah, if you like basil, that sort of sweet herby sort of aroma is definitely there, and the mandarin is lost in the background a bit, to be fair, but it's nice. It's a good smell. And the other one is probably a classic, and that is coffee and vanilla. So yeah, you got the nice smell of vanilla in there, and the smell of the coffee. If you love coffee, then you'll love this. That is really nice. Anyway, those are the 5 different aromas of candle that I've got going at the moment. So, and what's the time? It is about time. So I'm just going to switch out the light, and we'll see what they look like lit up. A bit of fun. So I've got Alexa here. Alexa, turn off bedroom. And there we go. Oh yeah, that's glowing nicely. Obviously, I didn't like these 5 though. I just wanted those 5 there, just to show you. And if I can hold the camera steady there, but there we go. That's the that is my light now for the next hour, and I've got I started this ages ago. These will burn for about 40 hours estimate, and the lavender, so that's giving off already a really nice aroma. So I'm going to enjoy this for the next hour or so in the dark, well, a lot darker than it would normally be, and enjoy Earth Hour, giving something back to the earth. So thanks for watching, and well, happy Earth Hour Day.